Okay, so actually what I did was I just sauteed, meaning ginisa yung garlic, yung onions. Sinet ko muna yung onions, tapos may garlic. Ang aking mantika is olive oil muna, and then my Arla butter. And then, sinuwet ko na siya, ginisa ko na siya, sinutay ko, and sinutay ko yung chicken and pork. Because it's chicken and pork machado. Okay, dapat beef, pero I don't like beef. And then I put in my carrots. And then, I'm gonna be putting in my potatoes na medyo sinemay fry sear-ish ko na kanina, kaya it's seasoned already. Okay. So, and then, kaya yung chicken medyo semi-cook na siya, and then also the potatoes. Now, I've put in the carrots. We'll add the green peas. This is just yung green peas na frozen sa ref namin. Okay. And by the way, as I said earlier, yung chicken ko and pork, I marinated it in pineapple juice with a little sugar, with some oyster sauce and some pepper also for about 2 hours ba, no? 2 hours, so talagang mas manuot yung galasa. Nagbo-boil na ang aking pork chicken machado. The cheese, wine, and the potatoes, the carrots. Mamaya titikman natin. Looks yummy. Something nice to eat on a cold, rainy, damp Baguio day. Yummy. Bon appetit. Okay, it's plating time. You saw the cheese. Okay. Although nilagyan ko ng egg sa ibabaw. Kasi this was my egg this morning na hindi ko nakain. I forgot. Kasi tuloy-tuloy na yung meeting ko. Look at the color. It's so nice. It's taste test time. Yung machado. It's good. I think nakatulong dito yung ginamit kong pineapple to marinate. Sarap sa kanin. I'm trying not to eat carbs eh. Actually, ate bread na kanina. Sarap. Ang sarap ng sauce. My gosh. Sarap nito sa white rice. Manamis-namis because there's pineapple eh. Pero na-balance off siya by the wine nga. Very good. Kaya nang malungkot sumakay mag-isa. Harap pa my husband eh. It's actually quite good. I haven't made machado I think for 2 years na. I'm balancing it off with wine. Balance. I hope you guys are safe at home eating a good hot meal and with family and loved ones. I'll continue devouring this now. Bon appetit!